For annotating images, videos, audio, or text, annotations can be tough. Complex datasets, tight deadlines, and endless details. That's where Labellerr shines. Our GenAI feature is seamlessly integrated into the platform, acting as your digital helper to tackle any annotation task. Let's see some of its many features. GenAI and audio annotation. First up, audio annotation. Imagine you've got a podcast in French.
Bonjour à tous et bienvenue dans notre podcast.
And you need it transcribed and translated into English for labeling. Here's how it can be done. Writing title for classification. By the way, we have covered all other classification types on our channel. Writing prompt for translation here. Save the changes and click on Predict. As we already typed the prompt earlier, it's not required now. See, within seconds, we have the output here. With Labellerr, you don't need to switch to another tabs. It's all under one tool. GenAI and image annotation. Next, images. Suppose you're annotating a dusty old photo from the past, but you have limited knowledge of subject. With GenAI in Labellerr's classification section, you just ask, what's this all about? It, and you'll see the instant result. Obviously, there is need for humans to verify, but it definitely reduces the load and saves time for annotators. GenAI in video annotation. Why watch 15 minutes video when GenAI can tell you the story? GenAI has its application in video annotations too. It could ease out event tagging problems, can give transcripts for your video, and provide help in other ways too. GenAI and text annotation. For annotators having text data, GenAI has got your back. You don't need to waste time thinking about the summaries or finding nouns in the text. GenAI eases the load, and now you just need to read and verify. So, how many more use cases came up to your mind while seeing this video? As I said earlier, Labellerr is your one-stop solution for all annotation tasks. Labellerr's GenAI is more than just a feature. It's your digital assistant that simplifies complex annotation tasks. Book a demo with Labellerr to know more about annotations. Link in the description.